Boy, sure did.
What's up, boys and girls?
What's up, peoples?
Peoples, Mike's here, Ron's here,
Hello,
Jefferson's
Donnie
here.
Bly.
Donnie Bly, he's in there somewhere. We found a helicopter, so y'all come on down. We're gonna auction it off here in a minute.
It's run number 169.
Yeah, it's red light as is. But we got a opening bid of it of $750, so y'all come on down.
As you can tell, it's a Trump. You see the T?
Yeah, see it? Yeah, it's nice, that's for sure. Our buddy, our car dealer buddy showed up tonight. Old Charlie showed up and flies his helicopter around. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, he'll get his license back one of these days.
One day he'll get his license back and everything will be good to go again. At FAA.com. We're flying the flag. Let me get over here where I can talk to Jefferson a minute.
How about the flag? We come all the way up on the hill, so now me and Ron got to walk all the way back down the hill, start to sail. That's all right.
So, you can see what we can get the dealers. Get the dealers. We got them coming in helicopters.
Heck yeah, man.
Just wait till you see what Jefferson's gonna get done next year. He's already lit my fuse and told me a little bit. Said you just wait to see what I do next year.
You gonna fly us all down here? That's good.
No, this is before the top
Because I'm a space
big wheel.
Big deal.
Jefferson said he's a man up here amongst them.
That's right. He's
Hey,
swinging
man,
a
him
big
up.
stick, baby.
He said where the big spokes meet, he's the biggest one in the wheel.
Hey. And I'm not scared. I'm not playing around. I ain't playing around.
No, Jefferson said he quit school because they made him take recess.
Watching.
I ain't playing.
How are y'all? How's everybody?
Every day Saturday over
Who's
here.
on here? We got Robert, Norman, Art, Sam. That gum. YouTube will be sending us one of them, or Facebook will be sending us one of them plaques for
I got a
I know it.
classic car auction in Young Harris Friday and Saturday.
Dude, y'all
I'm going to ride the outlaw truck.
Are you?
know
Yeah.
what
I believe it's Thursday.
Today is? What's today? Three years. 3 years in operation.
Today's 3 years. 3
And
years.
they said we wouldn't make it. And they said we wouldn't make it.
Oh, little did they know.
Hey, is Phyllis on here?
We don't know.
Fifi, you on there?
You on there, Fifi?
Identify yourself.
He's telling us about putting you on that shaker, making you stand there and shake like this. He said, you're really getting it. He put her on one. Yeah. Put her on one.
Yes.
Vibrated her ears, even her ears was wiggling.
Yes. If she makes me try something.
You make her try something.
She's got to go first.
Tit for
Tit
tat.
for tat. That's
Listen,
right.
this is true. I saw it. He's got a little thing set right there. She stands on walkers over her, and it was jiggling so bad her ears was wiggling. Every bit of that's true. That's true story. Jefferson got her, didn't you, Jefferson? He laughing like hell.
5:57, boys. Y'all get out.
All right, we gone,
Yeah,
guys.
go.
We're kicking this thing off. Let's see.
Let's go sell some cars.
Get Charlie taking care of the
I really am miss the old days. Yeah, the old days is fun, boy. I had a little bug put in my ear today that the circus is coming back to town. It's some of these, it's one of two of these old places that's been running things like the establishment required is now going to be back running full throttle pretty soon. You know, just like the old circus used to be. Maybe it'll get fun again. Hello, Bradley. Hello, Tony. I'm hello, Junior. Trying to make this thi things fun around here. Yeah, you do make things fun around here. I pulled in today, y'all. I pulled in. I come through right through the gates over there, and I look up right in between the first and second line of cars. Here comes Jefferson all by himself down through those cars driving. Nobody on the cart by himself, just driving, and everybody watching and taking care of him. So that's good. I'll cut this thing off before you take off on us. We be done gone. I didn't know it. If you go to YouTube and type in Atlanta East Auto Auction, type in J. Jefferson Bickerstaff, you will see our videos. You will see M, me, D, R driving around. Yeah, he got videos of YouTube of him driving around. Most people don't know about Jefferson. He's an Eagle Scout. Jefferson pulled himself up on a horse and rode him off. He drove a tractor and all that stuff that everybody else does. Pretty neat. I rode horses all my life. I don't know if I could drag up on one now. Why? I still owe me a horse ride. I still owe you a horse ride. That's about right. We was trying to figure ways for a while we could get Jefferson over there to where I got my horse at and let him ride him. We might make it happen because I got just a horse to do it with. And if I don't have the horse to do it with, I got enough Ace Promazine to put in him. That sucker run his tongue out of his head and not put it in front of the other. I know how to medicate one. I don't know much, but I know them critters a little bit. P.L. Please. PC. Oh, please come out and see us. Please come to the sale and see us. We got a good run of cars tonight, 140 something of them, I think. S. U. B. S. C. R. Subs card. Whose cars? S. U. B. S. A. I meant C. R. I. E. Space. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Sometimes my spelling ain't the best. Y'all have Jefferson knew that going into it, so we had to agree as soon as we started doing this stuff. All right, sometimes I can't spell. My brain outruns me what I'm thinking, or I just can't figure it out. But y'all go to the YouTube channel, y'all figure it out. What's up, David Taylor? I hope you're doing good, man. I hope you're doing well. Y'all go to the YouTube channel. Y'all check out Atlanta East Auto Auction. Jefferson and his daddy's out there Saturday nights and Sundays working their butts off. And it don't matter if it's 100 degrees and sunshiny or 10 degrees and rain, and they're out there. I got it. We're going to have to end this. My man's starting to sweat pretty bad. I got to get him in there and get him cooled off because it's hot. But don't forget the Instagrams, the TikToks, the Facebooks, the whatevers, all of them. Just put in Atlanta East Auto Auction or Jefferson Bickerstaff. You can go to the website, Atlanta East Auto Auction, type in, if you need to email him, it's Jefferson at AtlantaEastAutoAuction.com. Is that correct? Jefferson at Jefferson at AEAutoAuction.com. Jefferson at AEAuto.com. Well, he knows I don't check many websites for nothing, so I don't know what they are. But AEAutoAuction.com. All right, we're going to get on in there and cool off a little bit. We appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good. We'll try to get a video of the dude flying out here in a helicopter for you. See y'all.